Hello Python enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something as intriguing as it is treacherous, the most dangerous trick in Python. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. And remember, if you don't subscribe, this Python trick might just slither its way to you. Haha, just kidding. Let's jump right in. So what's this dangerous trick? It's the use of the exec function. Exec is a built-in function in Python that parses the expression passed to it and executes Python code within the program. Let's look at an example. Here's a simple use of exec. So over here we are going to call exec on a print statement. When we run this code, it prints hello world to the console. Seems harmless, right? But here's where it gets dangerous. Exec can execute any Python code, which makes it a serious security risk. If your program takes input from the user and passes it to exec, a malicious user could potentially run harmful code on your system. For instance, consider this code. If a user enters this OS system code, it could delete all files in your current directory. So, while the exec function can be powerful, it's also potentially very dangerous. Always be cautious when using it, and avoid it if possible, especially when dealing with user inputs. That's it for today's video. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Stay safe, Pythonistas. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. See you in the next video.